everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys my CVS haul. Sorry for posting it late. I just have been tired lately, so I'm like, I just need to take a nap. So that's what I did, because today is the only day where I don't work. I mean, I technically do this, but this is more of a relaxing job. So I'm just like, I just wanted to sit back and relax. I'm kind of getting burned out a little bit on doing videos. So you guys might see me do a little bit less. I'm just kind of taking a little break. I still will be doing them. I just don't want to do videos right now. Like, I love them. I enjoy it. I'm not going to quit. I'm just kind of getting that where I just want to sit back and relax, enjoy my family a little bit. So I will still be doing weekly hauls, you guys. I just am kind of just gonna lay back a little bit. I want to get a lot of other things done with my channel. I've been doing a lot of cooking videos for you guys. I want to do a little bit more DIYs, which my channel is about everything, not just about couponing. I know it's crazy, but majority of you guys are here for couponing, and that's what I'm doing. So I want to show you guys what I got at CVS. Now, most of you guys know I have 2 cards now. I try to show you guys deals all the time, and some deals are double deals because some you can't just pass up. So I'm just like out of breath all of a sudden. I don't know why. I wanted to do the Brute and Sure deal, but I didn't get any of those coupons. But if I do get those coupons, I may or may not go back and get some because I like the Nexxus Deal. I really like that shampoo. So I'm here to share with you guys what we got. Now, I've been trying to cut back on candy. I have, but when you get your favorite candy deals, especially at this price, you gotta stock up. And one thing I do want to do is I want to stock up on candy and goodies, because when Halloween comes around, I give the kids little goodie bags, and why not give them some good stuff? So I ended up getting I did the candy deal. Now, I did this with both cards because I could not pass this deal up. So okay, we got some candy for you guys. So these were 3 for $9. I know, $9 for candy. That's an okay deal, maybe. But we had those 2 off of 3 coupons that were in a couple weeks newspaper. A newspaper from a couple weeks ago. Sorry, I can't think. And then I also had a 3 off of 3 CRT that expired today. That was from that shipped from the Red Box last week. So I ended up paying $4 for these, which I still think $4 for a bag of candy is a really good deal. But if you guys buy 3, you guys get a $3 CRT, making these just $1. $1 for 3 of them. That's 33 cents a piece. I think that is a great deal. As you guys can tell, Twix and Milky Way are my family's favorite candy. So definitely putting those away for my son not to have them. We're all kind of cutting back on candy, but you know, it's nice to have some candy from time to time. I also did it again with my other card. So I ended up doing that deal, but I got Twix, Snickers, and Milky Way, just in case the husband wanted Snickers instead. So we got that going on for him. The next deal I got is the Nexxus Deal, and I only did this deal with one of my cards. These were $20.49. I think this is ridiculous for shampoo and conditioner, but the conditioner was $20 and the shampoo was $13, and I'm like, you know what, I'll just get the conditioner. And then I went to Walgreens and I bought the shampoo because I wanted to do that deal too. So these were $20.49. You guys want to use a $5 off coupon, plus I had a 4 off of 18 any shampoo CRT. So I ended up paying $11.49 for this, but then you guys will get $10 back in an ECB, and you guys can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. If you guys haven't already, join Fetch. You guys get a lot of points, especially for the Unilever brand stuff. So you guys, I got 204 points for this, so that's a pretty good deal. So this came out to be $1.49 for this, but definitely join Fetch. I have the link below. If you guys click my referral link, you guys will get 2,000 points, which is equivalent to $2, and you can start redeeming points for $3. One thing I do recommend is get that app so you guys can start saving for a free Christmas. Just giving you guys a heads up on that. But $1.49, I am happy to pay $1.49 for a $20 bottle of shampoo. Now this is, I hate to say it, but this is actually one of my favorite shampoos and conditioners. I'm using another one right now. I'm not a big fan of the smell, but I do like the pink one. So these are ones that I'm keeping for myself. I ended up doing the St. Ives and Pons deal. Now, my store had the Pons wipes for $6.49, and then the Pons facial scrub. These were $4.69. You guys want to use two $1.50 off coupons for the St. Ives and $1.50 off coupon for the Pons. Those were all in today's paper. I also had a 3 off of 15 facial coupon, or CRT. So I paid $8.37 for all three of these. But then you guys will get a $5 ECB back. And you guys can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. Now, I did submit my receipt and only one took. So I had to resubmit my receipt. I wrote correct my receipt, and they haven't corrected yet, but I will be getting points for the other two. But you guys would get all three of these for $3.37 or just $1.12. So that's a pretty good deal. Now, what I've learned is I had a 4 off of 18 shampoo, and then I also had a 3 off of 15 facial thing. You guys cannot use both CRTs in the same transaction. It's either one or the other. So my trip today, I ended up making 5 separate transactions because CVS is really starting to change their sales where you cannot combine certain items. So you guys cannot use multiple. So if you have a coupon for like $4 off this and then 3 off of 15, that's fine. That's one transaction. But if you have multiple, you have to do them in each separate transaction. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up on that. So that's why I made multiple transactions, because CVS is their CRTs are a little bit confusing, and that's why I've been having problems after problems, is because of these CRTs. So giving you guys a heads up with that. I ended up doing the Revlon deal. Now, I did this deal 2 different times. I don't know what happened to the other one. I had, oh, where'd it go? It might have fallen out of the bag upstairs. Or is it still in the bag? I don't know what happened to it. But I ended up doing the Pons deal. Now, I did it with both of my cards. One card I had that $4 off CRT that we got from last week. So I used that $4 off CRT. And then I had a 2 off of 12 cosmetic CRT. So these were $4.99. I used 3 $2 off coupons. I used that 4 off of 12, or no, I used that 2 off of 12, and then I also used that $4 off CRT. I paid $2.97 for this, but then you guys will get $4 back in an ECB, making it just $1.03. So if you guys are interested in that. Now, if you guys don't have that CRT and you just want to buy one, you guys can do that deal. So again, $4.99. You guys use that $2 off coupon, plus if you have that $4 off CRT from the previous week, you guys would end up paying, I don't think you pay anything for this because it's free. It was pretty much free, but it ends up becoming like a $1.01 moneymaker. So if you guys do that deal, I don't know what happened to the third one. Or fourth one, it might have been stuck upstairs. I did the Wet n Wild deal. Now, I thought these said $5.29, but they're $5.19, and I still got my money. So these were $5.19, and this was $1.49. I used a $1 off coupon, a $1 off coupon, and a 50-cent off coupon. I also had a 4 off of 12 Wet n Wild CRT. So I ended up paying $5.37 for all 3 of these, but then I got a $5 ECB back, making it just 37 cents for all 3 of these, which is a pretty decent deal. So I wanted to share with you guys with that. I ended up doing the Tresemme deal. Now, the Tresemme deal was 2 for $10. I used a 5 off of 2 coupon that we just got in today's paper. I used a 2 off of 12, no. why did I write, oh, there was a 2 off of 2 coupon that printed off also. So you guys would get both of these for $3. That comes out to be $1.50 a piece. Not the greatest deal, but if you guys are interested in doing something like that, I don't get Trust Me very often, so wanted to share with you guys with that. And then I also got the Physicians Formula. Now this was $15.29. I had a 4 off of 15 CRT that I received today, so I ended up using that. Again, I had to play with this in a separate transaction because you can only use one of those coupons. It's so stupid. But you guys would pay $11.29, but you guys would get $10 back in an ECB, making this just $1.29. So I thought that was a pretty good deal for that. But yes, that was my total. I wish I knew where that one thing is, but that was my total. Like I said, I had to do, oh, hold on, I forgot to show you guys one more thing. I saw these, my store still had some 90% stuff off, and I saw these and I thought, you know what, these are pretty great. I thought they were kind of an envelope, but it's kind of like a pleather little clutch. I thought these would be great to put like coupons or something in it, or if I'm out and about and I kind of just want to put some stuff in it. I thought these are great. Now these were originally, they had a glitter one, which I like glitter, but it just felt too uncomfortable to touch. But these were $16.99, 90% off for $1.70. I think that's a pretty good deal. I like the black one because it's just plain and simple. So I got the black one, and then I got this little colored one too. So pretty excited to get those. But my total came to $16.88 for everything, but one transaction I paid 37 cents. I used $5, but I received $5 back, so that was 37 cents. Second transaction was $1.97. I used $5, but I received $7, so that came to be a 3-cent moneymaker. Transaction number 3 was $1.29. I used $10, but I got $10 back, so that came to be $1.29. With my new card, I paid $2.76, used $15, but I received $7, so that came to $10.76. So it's a little bit of a fail, but that's okay. And then transaction number 2 for the new card was $1.49. I used $13, but then I got $10 back, so that came to $4.49. If you guys add everything together, I got everything for $16.88, or just 76 cents at 22 items. I didn't hardly pay anything, so I mean, if you guys think about it, I probably paid about $5-6 for everything, which I think is a pretty good deal. I mean, I just paid taxes pretty much for everything. So that was my total. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I have a stupid mosquito bite that bit me. It's driving me nuts. These mosquitoes are just driving me nuts. They just won't go away. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this CVS haul. Please give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.